Okay, so now we're going to start out with something simple like the house basement. So what we do is we've got our pencil and it's set to square mode. And we start out, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit with just my computer zoom here. Oops, wrong way. Zoom in, there we go. And I'm going to start right here on the corner of the house. I can just start right here if I want. And I'm going to click it. And you're going to see the scale 1971. So I go to 72. There you go. Next one is 21 feet. So I can put it right exactly to those if I want. But we're digging a basement. This is for digging. So we can just click on it and be close enough. And then if you get a mistake like that, length, because it jumped, you just go up here and tape measure and change that to 12 feet, or was it 11 feet? I think it was 11 feet actually. 11 feet, no big deal. Okay, go back, zoom back out, and yep, there it is, 11 foot. Go to our next mark, and with a basement, we'll usually dig these at the same level. So right about there, come all the way across the square right about here, and come down to right about there, because that's garage, and hit it there, and everything's scaling, and this will give you what you're going to dig by with the GPS. So we'd call this, just call it base, and we'll make it red, and it's closed, and there's no slope, so we're okay. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the next one. Let me zoom back out a little bit, and we're going to learn how to do another line on here, which we're going to do is the garage here. So I'll just click right on here at the start, and I'll come right here. Like I said, I'm just zooming in my Apple computer here. This works on anything, PC. And the garage, we're going to set right to there. It's done. Now, we can actually put the input of the garage in. So if the basement was 0 grade, we could say that the garage footings are 6 foot above them, so plus 6 feet. So that, oops, that was a bench, excuse me. 0, we go plus 6 feet on Z. And that'll put the grade in for that basement to be that grade. Pretty simple. Zip back out. We always go to our starting point that'll end it, and in this case, the lines are open. Blue's a good color for it. Garage, just abbreviate it, no slopes, go. Okay, so we want to do another one. We can do the porches, whatever we want to do. That gives you an idea how to go square. Now, if you've got something at an angle, you can always click that button there, and let's say you're going to put something in back here, you can do angles also. And as you click, you can see it goes through the angles. If it was the wrong length there and the wrong angle, you just go to your tape measure, and this time you can change the angle. So watch if I turn it to 55, and I go down there, you see it move to 55 degrees. Also, I could just change the length to 11. You just saw it get smaller there. So works same way. I can just go back through and erase this, go on to my next section. So you can start anywhere you want. That's how you erase, that's how that works. Another key feature is dimensions. If you're going to put something in here you might want to check a dimension. You can always write dimensions down. So from here to the street is 52 feet. So it leaves dimensions for you also. Then you go back into what you're doing. So more on the next video. We'll talk about how to move the project around and tag stuff.